In this video, we are going to discuss and review the Autopilot investment application, and let's dive right in and see how effective and functionable they are in the real market. So as you guys can see that I'm on their website, and on the website there are just two options where there is a main page option, there's advisors, and get autopilot. There is no third option about what are they doing actually, and reviews from the real customers, nothing like that. So it says that invest like politician, for example, plus hedge fund managers and more. Join the 500 million plus. Let's just click on that and see what they are trying to sell out. If we scroll down, they're just upselling their things in and get started in three simple steps. Confirm your portfolio, connect your brokerage. You will automatically buy and sell positions, invest alongside top politicians, and world-class hedge fund managers. Common question: what portfolio options are there? It's a basic sort of an application. At the end of the page, there are giving the disclaimer, a long disclaimer saying that important information, investment advice, investment risk, consult with professional, limitations of liability, no guarantees, disclosure of affiliations, and then they have shared their Twitter careers contact us page. And if we go ahead and click on the contact page, we'll able to get their email address right from that. So let's get back to the point where they have mentioned the link to get the 500 million plus dollars. So if we click on that link, it will still show us the application barcode and nothing else but the barcode. So if we go to the barcode here, you guys can see that this is the Autopilot investment application listed on the Apple Store. This is a preview of the application. It got 4.6 star rating out of the 5, which is obviously very good, but we cannot totally depend it upon the rating because the reviews can be bought by big names, and it is happening in the world. The people buy reviews for their application so they can get more and more credibility for their application. It is totally free. Let's read their reviews about the Autopilot application on the Reddit. So here you guys can see that this person saying that did it for 6 months and pulled out after many trades but zero gains. It was easy to cancel your subscription. I've tried it for 3 months with their ChatGPT. The performance lagged the market, and I was missing out on a lot of the gains. Didn't renew my subscription. Far too expensive. I've been using the app for a few months, and I'm up 14.2% with the below set tracker and 7% with the Berry tracker. The minimum investment for each tracker is $500. So far, so good. So this is the review for the Autopilot investment application. I hope you find this video helpful. Take care. Bye bye.